Guys, if you are looking to run ads on TikTok and you want to see what's working on TikTok in terms of the ads, well, this website is for you. You can see all the trending ads that have performed well in terms of the reach, the click-through rate as well. Like, have a look at this ad, and then we have this one in terms of the click-through rate. So these ads have the best click-through rate.
They look like tots and taste like chicken. Plus the kids
living life in color.
And now the thing is that this website is perfect for dropshippers who want to find trending ads. You can also select by industry. So in terms of the apparel industry, we have clothing accessories selected, men's clothing and everything. So these are the highest performing ads that have been posted on TikTok. Then you can search by objective, which is conversion, lead generation, product sales, reach, traffic, video views, and you can also filter by like. So you can also select the top 81 to 100%. So these are the best performing ones. So you can model your ads after these, and you can also select the duration. Now the thing is that this is the website, the TikTok Creative Center. So they are also giving you the upcoming events which you can look for, and I'm going to paste the link of this website down in the description box. Just make sure to go to this website through this link. It is not an affiliate link or anything, but the thing is that if you go on to TikTok Creative Center, you will find a lot of stuff that you might not be needing at the time. But if you go through the link which I'm sharing you, you will go directly to the previous website that I was showing you, where we had all those ads that were trending on TikTok. So if you found this video to be informative, just be sure to drop a like on this video. It would help a lot. And on your screen you will be seeing a video that YouTube thinks you should watch next.